Video. And guess what? The river is coming onto the road. And I want to take a photo of that. And I just got extremely scared because a cop saw us. So we... What's that noise? Yeah, it's coming through all the cracks. It's coming through the walls. So yeah, that's happening. If you guys look way, way, way down the road, like that little reflection on the road, yeah, that it'd be a triangle thing. Oh, there's a car coming. They ain't gonna make it because they're not allowed to. There's something over those trees. Look what they're doing. They're not allowed in. I can't. I'm allowed to go jump in. But yeah, guys, there's water all over, like where that little spot is. I can see it clear as day, but the camera can't. But yeah, guys, it's pretty darn high. If they're backing up, we're backing up. Oh crap! There's a cop. There's a cop. Gotta get. There we go. Hey, it's the po-po. It's the po-po. What are they gonna do?
See for yourself. Witness the difference now during the President's Day sales event.
It's more flooded than just that.
Show bonus cash and 90 days.
Okay, that's
keeping an eye on it.
okay.
We came through here, right?
Yeah.
And Alexandria.
At this